Solo meat.
Customer.
How now?
I dey
see my period.
Okay.
As this way, I know who at all, but I need meat. Now, like I can't 2K meat. You run for me, I beg. If you between now and Friday, I'll run and give you back.
You will not be my customer since 2016.
I'll be like,
I will cut for you. Customer, anytime when you get the money, you bring her.
My brother. I just make I bring your 2K for yesterday meat you give me. You try.
Customer, not disturb you now.
I just win for 1xBet.
1xBet?
And then be the best and most reliable betting platform.
Let me then be the official global partner of Barcelona Football Club and La Liga.
Exactly. I just register free of charge with the promo code PILSBET. Now they give me 200% bonus for my first deposit. For example, now, if you deposit 100,000 naira, they will give you extra 200,000 naira plus that your 100,000 naira when you deposit. You can get 300,000 naira for your account.
1xBet don't get new customer now. At the go register, this is free of charge.
Exactly.
What do you call the promo code again?
PILSBET. Make sure say use am.
I must use them to take them my 200% bonus.
Exactly.
I don't close.
Okay, before you go, you know say as I don't make an app for 1xBet now, but I want you to enjoy. Solo, just give me meat 2 million naira. Assorted 1.2 million.
The reason why I called for this emergency meeting is because of Casey. Casey!
Queen Mother. My elder brother loves me so much. All my years in school, he was there for me. Queen Mother, something happened recently. He won a lot of money from 1xBet. And they asked him just 5,000 naira for her. He said he wants to spend the money on his wife first before attending to me, his sister. Queen Mother, I'm angry. For that reason, I want him mad.
Oh, we carry out this assignment. Whoever carry out this mission successfully will be rewarded as brand ambassador to Discover and will represent us in other villages. Not just that, we have free plantain visa to travel abroad.
Queen Mother, I mean, Queen Mother, this is my customer. He normally comes to buy meat from me in the market. That makes it much easier since he's a regular customer.
Put this in his meat. You have just 24 hours to execute this plan.
Queen Mother, she did not return your mantle of leadership back to you. I think she wants to overthrow you. Queen Mother, my customer did not come to the market today, so I've returned.
Too late! You want to carry cross? You will be the one to run mad.
Yes!